Artiste Naira Marley is back in court for the hearing of his alleged credit card fraud case. Now, he was spotted in court where his case was handled by Justice Owebu of the Federal High Court, Ikoyi, Lagos. According to reports, Naira Marley is expected to return to court today as his case was adjourned by the presiding judge yesterday. Now, if you recall, Naira Marley was arrested on the 10th of May 2019 by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, where he was filed on an 11-count charge of alleged credit card fraud on May 14th. In another development, Naira Marley has since put out a tweet after the case hearing yesterday, and he tweeted, and I quote, "In Nigeria, they will arrest you first, then they will try to find out your crime after." Now, we'll keep you updated on the court proceedings as the case goes on, but this is what we have for now. What do you guys think?
I think that tweet shouldn't have gone out, like, I don't know. You're still in court. When you tweet that kind of thing, I feel like you're just messing the whole thing up the more. Like...
I know he's aware of all of these things, and I don't know, because after that tweet, he put it out again that who has Buhari's contact, who has Tinubu's contact, that they're the one that can make him come out of this. And I know his lawyers know that they know who Naira Marley is, so him tweeting all of this thing, I know he knows what he's doing. It's just crazy that he knows what he's doing, and he wants to just still keep that face of being a gangster, Malian, and
to be honest, I feel like he's exercising his rights. You know, he's exercising his human rights where you have to find me guilty with evidence before you proclaim that I am guilty. Because I was reading up in the news where his defense lawyer was actually appealing to the judge for the witness statements that were procured by EFCC. So they were saying that they didn't have access to these documents prior to the court proceedings. And now I don't know if this is the reason why they adjourned the court hearing from yesterday till today, but I do feel like he has, I mean, it's okay for him to be able to get all the documents and everything he needs to prove his innocence if necessary. So maybe it wasn't the best way to put it in a tweet, but do you get what I mean? Like, it's okay for him to ask for his rights, basically.
Do you think he might be able to, so if he's found guilty, do you think he might be able to pay his way out of this and then the case just gets buried like we've seen in the past?
I think it's going to be difficult for him to pay his way out of this because we have the whole nation watching this case. And if it's a case of like foul play, then it's going to cause a major, major riot. And which is why I feel his defense lawyers are really putting in all the effort and trying to look for all the loose ends possible. So for me, I would just say innocent until proven guilty.
Right, so we'll see how it goes. Later today, we'll find out how we're going to move forward. But I just hope, let me not say much. We'll see how it goes.
It's crazy from the stage in the UK, seeing him perform on Sunday, on Saturday, Sunday, and seeing him back in court, back in Nigeria, from London in Nigeria, straight to court.
And it's court case, yeah.
Well, fingers crossed. Would let you guys know
how far.
All right, moving on to the next story. Why I was initiated into Aniocha Women's Cult, Regina Daniels. Now, Nollywood actress Regina Daniels has spoken about her initiation to the Aniocha Women's Cult, which happened during her marriage ceremony. Now, she made this known in a recent interview with Vanguard newspaper where she revealed that she wasn't initiated into a cult. Rather, it was rights-held to welcome her into womanhood. She said, and I quote, "First of all, I would not call it an initiation. It is more like being welcomed to womanhood, and for you to be a part of that group, it's an elite group. You must be married and you must be a woman of substance. I would say I'm even privileged to be part of that group." Now, if you recall, Regina Daniels' marriage to billionaire businessman and politician Ned Nwoko sparked off a lot of conversation because of their obvious age difference. So we saw this video and how it looked really creepy. Did I say creepy or shady?
Yeah, we spoke about, I mean, we used that word creepy and people came for us though.
I'm so sorry. Let me just say why I'm laughing because I feel so disconnected. So I can't get past Hedis and Regina Daniels' mom coming on stage.
Stop it.
Hello, I'm Regina Daniels' mom.
I'm Rita Daniels.
Rita Daniels.
AKA.
Pause. Regina Daniels' mother. So
AKA.
Like, Regina, AKA. I said, how slow? Maybe I'm not going to use your picking describe. Anyway, I'm done. Sorry, guys. I was there for a while. So every time I see Regina Daniels now, that's where my mind goes to. But yeah, let's talk about Aniocha rights. Yeah, Amanda, go on. I'm sorry.
I was just saying we should be careful because last time I remember I said it was a bit creepy for me, and people were coming on the comment section in YouTube and like, oh, it's a tradition, it's our rights, you can't call our culture a creepy thing. And I'm like, okay, fair points. If you're saying that this is part of your culture wherever you're from. Yes, but to us it looked, you know, a bit funny because we don't understand that culture. Well, we don't understand what was going on right there. But if she's saying that it's a...
But I guess this is why information is important. So it's good that she said this, and now we know. So every circumstance or every experience is an opportunity to school us. And so we've been schooled because, like you said, it did look creepy, and we're like, what's witchcraft voodoo-ish is going on up in here? Regina, what are you marrying into? But now we know. So cool, thank you. Now we know.
Thank you for letting us know.
Okay, moving on to our next story. Suge Knight signs his live rights to Ray J. Yes, American music executive Suge Knight has reportedly signed his live rights over to R&B reality star and entrepreneur Ray J. According to reports, Ray J will reportedly be in charge of choosing any movies, TV programs, book, or other projects about the Death Row co-founder, which will enable him continue to earn more money for himself and his family while in jail. Insiders speculate that a documentary about Suge Knight and Death Row Records is already in the works, as well as a biopic about one of the label's biggest names, that's Tupac. Suge Knight is currently serving 28 years in prison after pleading non-contest to voluntary manslaughter. In case you do not know, the 53-year-old was a key player in the gangster rap scene that flourished in the 1990s, and his label once had Dr. Dre, Tupac, and Snoop Dogg, amongst many other artists. So I saw this story and I was Ray J, Suge Knight, gangster, but Suge Knight probably saw the past, he saw the future from the past. If you look at the old Kardashian clan, it is from the tape, Ray J's tape with Kim Kardashian. So now that he's handling everything to Ray J, Ray J will probably make Suge Knight blow and make more money.
What kind of conspiracy theory is this?
Yeah, because Ray J was the one that made the Kardashian blow from the sex tape with Kim Kardashian.
So I see your point. That he would cook up something again and plot something.
And there's a lot of story from Suge Knight. Yes, we know about the Death Row. The only person that will actually right now know if Tupac is alive is Suge Knight. The only person that will know who killed Tupac is Suge Knight. So there are a lot of things to milk out from Suge Knight at the moment. And
probably that's why they're shooting the documentary.
That makes a lot of sense. However, I don't know if Ray J might be the best person for that. The only thing Ray J, apart from his music career, in terms of plotting stuff, the only thing he's been able to successfully plot that has been that big is...
He has his own tech company too that is doing big.
Thank you so much.
The only thing that he has been able to make big
is the sex tape.
And I don't even think he made it big.
No, so
it wasn't even him. It was
the co-producer. He's the co-producer and the actor in it.
Yes. Wow. So whether or not he made it big because it wasn't about him, it was about the fact that it was Kim, whatever it is, you should release something that had Kim in it, that made it big. So that's the only thing he's been able to make big. So I don't know if he's the best person.
Well, I mean,
but I
like what you're saying.
You can get from
because updated, I think I was reading on an updated website where they said he actually came out to denounce this statement, saying that he actually didn't give all his rights to Ray J, that he gave certain rights, like business rights, career rights, I think to Ray J, but that his fiance is actually taking a bulk of that rights as well. So we don't know whether his fiance is...
he said Beyonce.
No, it's fiance.
And the crazy thing, we just look at Ray J. Ray J is actually a gangster. They're in the same
circle.
They're in the same confraternity. They're in the same gang. They're in the same gang. So you should stop looking at Ray J as that soft boy, Brandy's younger brother, Kim K's partner in the sex tape.
OJ is just on the road.
That Ray J is a gangster thing.
Ray J is actually blood.
Of course, he's probably low-key gangster, but real life, high key.
Okay. He's not a gangster.
That soft guy that was doing soft music.
Exactly. That's what we know.
Okay. So I'm looking forward to
it's still speculation.
And people are already reaching out to Ray J. Even 50 Cent tweeted at Ray J like, "Yo, bro, holla at me. We can work. Yes, we can work on something." I know there are lots of stories that can come out from Suge Knight. Gangster, somebody that dangled.
So how does this benefit him though?
Money, he dangled.
But he can't use the money for anything.
For his family.
Okay.
Somebody that Suge Knight that dangled easy to sign up Dr. Dre.
All these things, all these things you are saying.
A lot of gist.
What I've just been asking myself is, why do you trust this person so much to give?
That's what
he has seen the future from the past.
As I said,
if the Kardashian clan can blow...
Arike is a speculation. He is saying that he actually gave that right to his fiancée. So we don't know who is saying the truth, whether it's for Ray J or it's to his fiancée.
If you're giving your fiancée, I can understand that because, I mean, that's the person you're with. Yeah. But if you're giving... You know,
The Kardashian clan can blow from Ray J's sex tape.
I like OJ's interesting theory.
So therefore,
I'll find
make
out.
a tape about me.
I'm weak
Fingers
about
crossed.
this theory. What the heck?
I'll find out if you're onto something. I mean, Suge Knight has been in jail in prison for quite a while, so maybe he's not current with the other people that could help him. We'll talk about it after.
Who has sex tape again that's blown?
oh, you
Guys, moving on to our final story. OJ, can you leave the Kardashian family alone?
We love you. I love you, Kim.
You actually have a problem with Kim.
I love her.
I don't think so.
Moving on to
Baby mama
our
number.
relationship. Moving on to our final story. Future sued by another alleged baby mama.
Wow.
All right, guys. American rapper Future is back in the news as another woman is claiming he is the father of her child and has refused to pay for their baby. According to reports, the alleged seventh baby mama, whose name is Cindy Parker, has filed legal documents in Texas claiming Future is the father of her 3-month-old son. Sources involved in the situation disclosed that Future had earlier agreed to a paternity test when it was suggested, but was unreachable when it was time to go through the process. It was further learned that Cindy wanted the what is going on? Cindy wanted the paternity case to be settled amicably, but had to sue the rapper when he was not forthcoming on their agreement. This adds to Future's ongoing paternity issues by another alleged baby mama, Eliza Seraphine, which was filed in August. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
What's going on with
Future
None
Hendrix.
of this thing, I can just say I thank the Lord for Sarah. I bless his holy name.
She dodged the bullet.
No
way now.
No way.
I thought that was what she was trying to say. Okay, so here's the thing. There are two ways.
For him.
No, but she was, you know how she loved him, for her to have done,
So
I
be happy
bet.
for everybody. You have one. So Sierra.
To be honest, I'm
baby
just-
mamas.
There
Don't
are two
call
ways.
Sierra.
There are two ways to look at this.
She has a man. That's good.
So there's the way of that Future is not being responsible, but there's the other way of is this baby mama trying to milk Future? Is she trying to rob him of his money because you've seen the previous Future baby mama? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So have you seen how that has gone? And you're now like,
Let me to
briefly
But here's
enter.
the
So
thing, I
we
beg
never
to
know,
differ
man.
with that argument, because even if she's trying to milk him out, it would be a lost cause if they do the paternity test and they find out that he is not the
So
father.
her willingness to
they
even
must,
want to
for
do
the
it, right?
willingness to even sue him to court means that there must have been something at least between him and her. Now I'm not wondering. My own question is, why is he having 7 baby mamas? Like, what is going on? No, that's not being gangster. That's being careless.
That's
being very careless.
I think you're onto something, Amanda, about the fact that, anyone can sue and you can cook up a nice case or whatever, but I think what you said about the willingness to want to go to
court.
to get a paternity test.
Yeah, paternity test.
Speaks volumes about maybe you're onto something. Yeah.
Okay, it's not like really related to this, but wait.
Don't be
you
like
know,
me.
On Monday, we talked about that tweet where the guy said, please stop naming your children after the names in the Bible.
Yeah!
You know, Father Abraham. Abraham was a robber, but I think Future should have just been Abraham. Instead of...
Based on father of many nations, Abi.
But you already gave to Baba that title. I can't.
Maybe Tubaba should have not been innocent and should have been Abraham.
Wow. Wow.
She said maybe Tubaba should not have been innocent too. Maybe you should have been Abraham. Right, I'm done. Did you want to say something before we move on?
No, let's just.
All right, let's do that. Hi, Tubaba. Hi, Future.
I love you.
What up, sir? All right, guys, moving swiftly along, we're done with entertainment news, and it is time for celebrity birthday shout-out. People are not clapping.
That's like they're not happy.
October babies, you're not clapping.
They don't have joy.
All right, well, to the people that do have joy, celebrating today are the following people. Nigerian singer and Jonesing World label CEO, The Prince turns 33 today.
Grandma's daddy.
Give it to me.
What's your favorite The Prince song?
Highness. Good morning, Your Highness. The Prince is here.
Give it to me now.
Oh, yeah, come on. Mine is Jonesing World.
It's a Jersey world.
Right. All right, also celebrating today, also turning 33 today, English actress Emilia Clarke, who is popular, very popular for her role as Khaleesi or Daenerys Targaryen, amongst others. I mean, love her.
I'm such a fan of
Game
Emilia.
Thrones.
Such a
I think
fan.
she's so stunning and she's so
She's
much fun
so
to interview.
simple and
Yes.
she's
Have you
so
interviewed
down
her
to
before?
I
earth.
watched her interview.
Wow, Arike. What's going on with you?
Chop. Well, even, I'll show you in this
No.
Lagos.
We're together. We're a team today.
Also celebrating today, Nigerian stand-up comedian and actor Oke Bakassi.
Is it 32?
He turns 50 today, guys.
Oh, happy birthday!
Can't be 32.
Very
He's been
good
around
for
for
his age.
quite a while.
Yeah.
Go away. All right, and finally celebrating today, Canadian-American actor I'm a fan, comedian, film producer, and screenwriter Ryan Reynolds turns 43 today. And you guys, he's so funny on Twitter, like on social media. He's just a messy ass.
Honestly.
Happy birthday.
Can we just say shout out to October babies?
Yes.
Like, too many stars, man.
Yeah, that's how it's just, I mean, it's just in the blood, you know. And no, excuse me, we're talking about October babies.
Too many stars. And also, celebrating today is one of our guys right here, producer for Wake Up Nigeria, for Your View, and of course, Event Diary. His name is Dolakpo. And of course, we call him Senator Dolakpo. He's our honorable, always on native and cap.
Hey,
Always.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dolakpo. Forget all those things you are saying. Today,
We
you must turn up because you have money.
Political style.
You have money, Dolakpo.
So this one is not lunch. This one is like dinner.
Turn up.
Turn up. Turn up on him.
Happy birthday to Dolakpo. Happy birthday to Khaleesi.
Khaleesi.
Amelia Clark.
Happy birthday, Emilia Clark. Happy birthday, The Prince. Happy birthday, Ryan Reynolds. And happy birthday, Okay Bakassi.
Happy birthday to everyone celebrating today. I love you, October babies. You guys, you rock. Yeah, you know,
Yes,
November
tell them,
babies
tell
and
them.
superstars. Well, I'm
What's
the
your
one talking
problem?
at the moment. Up next, a rewind and Woman Crush Wednesday. Check them out. November babies.
July babies.
October babies.
October babies.